So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Jane. We are here in the Gill Road, guys. Look, how's the water now? Before it was all fully covered with water. Yeah, last summer. Now you can see the stones, the rocky part where the dirt bikes are playing. There's so many people in here at the moment, and as you can see, it's cold but it's not raining. And look at our big boy. That's a ranger. Look at him with a new upholstery, interior design, new inside. It is so beautiful here in this place. Look at the front. Yeah, Papa's doing something in his. Oh, look at the dirt bikes of this people. It's so beautiful here, guys. Look. Wow, that's what my husband wants. He wants to have one of those so we can have fun here. There's so many people bringing all their toys here. That's Papa. Oh, there you go. You see that? You see that? See that? There you go. We want to have one of those. Look at that. We're gonna be racing. Our ranger can race them. He is the beast. The beast, the beast. Uh-oh. There's another one. Is it? Hmm.
4x4 yan eh.
4x4 pala yan? Hindi tayo titirik niyan? Yes. This is so beautiful, guys. It's so pretty here. Oh, that's why most of the people come here. They bring their trucker, they bring their dirt bikes or their trucks. Look at the truck. Pa, look at that. Look at the truck. So this is really fun here. You can find so many cars, so many truckers, and yung quads. It's a quad. They do quadding all the way through there. It's so beautiful. It's just like this. Oh, it's raining already. Look at the mountains. There's already a snow up top there. This is super pretty, guys. We do that one already before, like making a little show, but now we stopped. That's me. Yeah, it's kind of raining, but it's cold, but it's like not super cold. It's bearable. Just bring your jacket. You can see the snow there. Oh, it's windy now. You can feel the strong wind here. Or like there's some people who do barbecue now. So the fire ban is lifted already, right? You can do fire now here. Oh, here you go. Here's the quads, guys. Coming. See that? Yes. We're gonna be having a show over there. Oh, that's so cool. Pwede pala dalawa doon pa, no? Oh, it's strong wind now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's windy and it's raining. Starts to be so windy now, guys. Look, can you see that? Can you see that? Oh, you can see that. Can you see that? Oh my God. Look at that. Look at the water. Look at the water. See how windy it is. And there is rain coming. Holy moly, it's beautiful. And that's our big boy. Bye guys, we're gonna be going back home. Oh, there's one more. Wait pa. I want to show you. Oh, that's cool. And here's Papa coming. See you guys.